challenge that I'm seeing in China is that over the last years, capability of development in China for LED lamps has gone up. If you compare it 2-3 years ago, hardly any qualified products would go to market, and the international brands leading in design, leading in performance. However, you see that when the technology becomes more common and it commoditizes a bit more, you see that multiple offers come on shelf. I think they explore to the limits of maybe sometimes even safety to drive new propositions into the market.
More and more smaller manufacturers are coming to make LED lighting fixtures and all the accessories. But of course, this is a big force to drive the bigger players to move forward.
You need to be able to invest consistently in the R&D. So like us, I think since year 2009, we have developed more than 380 models. So every week, we need to come up more than one models. And out of these 300, 100 already gone obsolete.
I think in general the Chinese are good at manufacturing and they have capital investment behind it, sometimes government supported. However, the access to the markets and the retail customers or the professional distributor customers, it's not where their core capability is.
Only few companies are going to build brands like us, like Optolet. The need from the market is expanding, and we want to make it more competitive, not just on pricing and on the quality itself. That's why we expand to a new and more reliable factory to fabricate our products.
The manufacturer in China, they want to stay profitable, and they want to stay competitive, and they want to survive, and they want to make money. So this is a big force to drive them to not just to succeed locally in the home market, but also they want to target the overseas market as well.
So what is happening is that young Chinese companies are becoming less Chinese and they're becoming more international.
Professional lighting design in Asia is growing, especially in Hong Kong, Macau and China. But the problem we have is a lot of the times the clients don't really appreciate what we design, and they often change it without consulting us. So even if we have specifications that we've given them, they often give alternatives that don't match up. And then they often delay the process of doing the design or the construction, and then a lot of the times they will not go ahead with it. And then we thought it wasn't going ahead with it, but actually they're finding someone else to go ahead with it. But what I find interesting is in Hong Kong now, more and more people appreciate lighting design. And I think that culture is starting to go into China.
2008, we starting from the Chinese Lighting Design Association, because we wish that China can have the independent lighting designer. We wish the lighting designer can be more professional. That it will be the good for the lighting environment and the good for the whole entire society environment.